Hello everyone, I'm Dhanya Kamath. Today I'm here with my team members Shafaz, Abhishek, and Shrutika to present our project Virtual Desktops and Remote Work, a solution designed to enable seamless and secure remote access to virtual machines using just a web browser. With the increasing need for remote work, traditional methods like RDP and VPNs have security concerns and software dependencies. Our solution eliminates these by providing a fully browser based remote desktop experience, a cost effective and scalable infrastructure, also secure multi user remote access. We have leveraged Oracle Cloud, Apache Guacamole, and VNC to create a secure, efficient, and accessible remote desktop environment. Now, Shafaz will explain the tech stack we use to implement this solution. It's over to you, Shafaz.
Thank you, Danya. Now let's take a look at into the technologies that powers our system. First of all, we have used Oracle Cloud instances, which provides infrastructure for hosting virtual machines and ensure scalability and reliability. Not only that, we have used Apache Guacamole. It is a clientless remote desktop gateway that allows user to access virtual machines directly through a browser. And also we have used Tiger VNC. Tiger VNC enables graphical remote access, making the desktop experience smooth and interactive. And also we have used Tomcat 9. Tomcat is a Java based web server that powers Guacamole's backend. And also it manages the session and user authentication. This system gives us a fully browser based technology. This does not require any client software, and it is highly secure because it has encrypted connection and authentication mechanism. Now Shrutika will explain the data flow of the system.
Thank you, Safas. So I'm going to explain you this flow chart. So this is user browser. So you can interact with the system through a web browser on your computer. This access web UI or remote desktop rendering. So you can either access a web-based user interface or directly view a remote desktop. This goes to the Apache Tomcat 9. So basically this is a software that allows you to connect to and interact with the remote desktop. Okay, so this goes to authentication and MariaDB. MariaDB is a database. So in this the system checks your login details such as username or password that is stored in database. So it goes to Guacamole Gman. So this is a background process that manages the actual connection to the remote desktop. So connection request and process session data. So in this, your request to connect it handles and the data from the remote section is sent to you. So this is connected through VNC protocol. VNC means virtual network computing. So the connection to the remote is made through VNC, and VNC server remote desktop is like this is the actual remote computer you are connecting to. And desktop streams and input feedbacks is like you can see the remote desktop on your screen, and your mouse or keyboard actions are sent back to the remote computer. So this is the explanation. So now let's move to Abhishek. He'll give you further details.
Thank you, Shrutika. Now let's see our system in action. Before accessing virtual desktop, we have to log into Apache Guacamole interface. So let's log in. Once we have login into Apache Guacamole interface, here we can see our all the connections. Okay. Let's click Ubuntu Remote. This is the connection which we created. Once connecting to the connection, it will open our virtual desktop, virtual Ubuntu OS. So here we can do a normal task or any task which can be performed in original like real or real Ubuntu means normal Ubuntu. In this Ubuntu, like here, we can perform every task, such as we can go use internet, Google Chromes. We can access to the internet. We can search anything. We can perform normal task. We can use CLIs. We can use terminals for some commands. We can run some commands. Mm, Sure. Anything, any normal tasks we can do. Thank you.